Okay, so we received the second live plant from Nursery Life. We had ordered two plants, a Lucky Jade and an Arabian Jasmine, in May 2021, but because of the lockdown, they could not ship it in May. So it was shipped on the 8th of June from Pune, and it was supposed to be delivered on the 9th. Unfortunately, we got both the shipments quite late. The first one was delivered 2 days late on the 11th, but the packaging was really in a good condition. The plant was quite healthy and we were quite happy with that. This one unfortunately has come in only today, so that's the 13th of June. So that's 5 days after the shipping. So if you look at the box, while the box looks intact, it definitely seems to have been drenched in water. The entire box has become soft. The base is a little bit soft, so you can see the plant, the weight of the plant has made the base sag. The shipping details have completely been erased because of the water, and that is why FedEx has put in a sticker here with handwritten name and address. And I guess that's one of the reasons why the shipment has come in so late. I think the shipping details were erased, and that's why there was a delay in the shipment. So right now we're going to unbox this. This is the Lucky Jade, and hopefully the plant inside is going to be healthy and in good condition. Okay, so the box clearly says Nursery Live, and there are a few instructions for the shipping company. It says live plant inside, this side up, and fragile, handle with care. So there are a few instructions not to wet it, not to drop it, and to always keep it up and to handle with care. Clearly something went wrong because the box got completely wet, and of course Mumbai has been experiencing heavy rains over the last few days. Now that's not a reason why FedEx would still get the shipment wet, but overall the box looks intact. So if you see, there are two breathing holes, one on this side and one on this side for the plant. We also have these cutouts here which hold the pot down. So if you see, the pot doesn't actually move. So there are these cutouts with the cardboard going inside on two sides, and that's like a handle, or you can say a clamp that holds the bottom of the pot, bottom of the box, and the pot is inside that bottom. So let's go ahead and open it. I think we're all excited to see how the plant has fared, and we'll open it from the bottom so that we can just slide the pot out like we did with the other plant. So the bottom is definitely quite wet, and the cardboard has become quite soft and soggy. Okay, so there you go. The Lucky Jade has survived 5 days of shipping, and of those 5 days, I'm sure it has spent quite a bit in the FedEx warehouse, but the plant looks in really good condition. There are no broken branches. They have neatly packed it in polythene so that the mud or the water from the pot doesn't come out. You can see some moisture inside this plastic packing, and I think that's intended to keep the moisture inside so that the plant doesn't dry out during the shipping. So we'll go ahead and remove the plastic. It's sealed quite well. The soil is, I think it has more clay content in it so that it can keep in water vapor or water content. So we'll definitely have to change the soil. Jade being a succulent should not be kept in a water-rich soil. So that's it. This is our jade plant from Nursery Live. Very happy with the purchase, very happy with the condition of the plant. And just to show you once again, so this is the Arabian Jasmine or the Mogra plant that we received a few days ago. The buds are, there are quite a few buds, and the buds will bloom in a day or two. Right now it looks a little dark because we have sprayed fertilizer on it. So we use seaweed, natural seaweed as a fertilizer. So we'll put in photos once the buds start to bloom, And I think we'll also put in photos once we change the pots and repot the plants. Thank you for watching.